Hey guys, do you love making crafts and playing with Barbie? Why not put the two together with these awesome hacks? Make the furniture of Barbie's dreams. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up for this video and subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel for all the latest hacks. Let's go! Shampoo bottle toilet. For this hack, we're going to need an empty shampoo bottle. Use Barbie as a guide and trace the right height for the toilet. Take an X-Acto knife and cut all the way around. Insert the remainder of the bottle into the cutout part and trace all the way around. Cut along the new line. Take the top piece and tuck it into the other pieces. There's your stand. Now take a cardboard takeout lid and trace around the toilet stand like this. Make sure you cut out two identical pieces. We now have a seat and a lid. Trace the right height on a cardboard box and cut it out. Add cool tape all the way around and all the way to the top. Measure where the tank will go and trace out the seat as well as the lid. Cut it out. Next, round out the lid. With a toothpick, hot glue its center and glue on the lid. Add a bead to each side and fasten it to the seat. Cut off the extra ends of the toothpick. Ta-da! Hot glue the sides of the toilet stand and fasten on the lid. Add a bead on top for the flush and tape on the sides for a cool finish. So elegant! A real throne. It's just the perfect size for Barbie. So cool! Gymsuit. Take a latex or nitrile glove and make a cool gym outfit for your Barbie. Cut the fingertips at the desired height and cut all the way across like this. Use the extra material to create a belt. Don't forget to tuck it in at the back. Keeping the widest part of the glove, cut the band in half and cut out a circle on top. Wrap it around Barbie and tie it behind her. Cut off the extra bits. Now Barbie can exercise with style. Look, she can do the splits. Lego closet. Do you also have Lego at home? Create a base like this and build it up. Add a shelf at this level. And then another one. Keep building. Find two pieces with holes and create a rod with a skewer. Don't forget to add the ceiling. Look at that! Take a few pieces and a paper clip. Wrap the paper clip around like so, and now you have a hanger. Make some more. Aw, it's so empty. Let's add Barbie's accessories and some outfits. What will Barbie wear today? That is a pretty dress. Nightshirt. Time for Barbie's bedtime? Make her a nightshirt from a glove. Cut out the middle section for her neck and a bit off these ends for her arms. What do we do with these two? Wrap them around Barbie's waist and knot them at the back. Get rid of the extra material at her neck. Wow, this is so pretty! Sweet dreams, Barbie! Dollhouse plants. You'll need some wire and some tape for this craft. Cut about 3 inches of wire and wrap it with tape, leaving 1 inch at the end. Cut the tape into a leaf shape. Get some green acrylic paint and paint both sides of the tape. Then cut indents. Wow, it almost looks real. Get an old toothpaste lid for the base and part of a thick straw. Glue the straw inside the lid. Use cool tape to make it into a pot. Ridge it and tuck the extra tape inside the pot. So shiny. Get a bit of coffee and scoop it into the pot. It looks like dirt. Now add glue in the middle and insert the leaves. Fold the leaves out and wow, you have a cute little plant. Barbie has a new little buddy. Barbie luggage hydro drip. For this, you'll need 2 buttons, a paper clip, and a soap travel case. Add some of your favorite nail polishes to a bowl of water. Use a toothpick to make a cool design. Press the lid into the water and get rid of the extra bits. So cool! And already so pretty! Dip the other part and let them dry. Then bring them together. Glue gun the buttons on top like this. We've now got wheels. Pop out the metal part of the paper clip and glue it on top as a luggage handle. Now Barbie's all ready to go. Where will she go first? You decide. Barbie hoodie. Hoodies are so comfy, so let's make one for Barbie. Grab a small sock. Measure to Barbie's neck, then mark the sock to cut a slit. Now measure just under Barbie's shoulders and cut out 2 armholes. Ta-da! Barbie's all warm and cozy. She looks adorable. Modern chair. Take an old pair of jeans and cut out one of the back pockets. Get a bowl and mark out the right height for the pocket. Cut it out and stuff it. Then glue the pouch closed. You know those balloon holders? Take the top tip and use it as your chair stand. Add your cute denim pillow. Now, what's missing? Barbie, of course! She looks so happy! Toothpaste cap lamps. Take 2 caps and some polymer clay. Fill the caps with the clay. Get some white twine. Use white glue to fasten the twine around the toothpicks. Take some more clay and make some stands. Cut off one end of the toothpick. Then insert it into the stand as well as the lampshade. Do the same with the other toothpick and now you have 2 pretty light stands. So adorable! Barbie will love these! can chair. Who doesn't love chips? Now Barbie can love them too. Trace a mark at Barbie's feet and cut all the way around. Cut also on both sides like this. Tuck in the pieces together and spray paint your creation. While it dries, take the lid and make 3 circles out of felt. Grab some clear glue and glue the circles together. Hot glue the sides of the tube and add pipe cleaners all the way around. Now add the base and then the cushion. Wow, so cute! A perfect addition to Barbie's bedroom. Now she can hang out with her friend. And those were our awesome crafts for Barbie. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Crafty Hackers channel. Catch you later!